Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add indices in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to the bottom left and click on codes. And make sure that you link your MetaTrader 5 with a broker. Now go to the plus icon here, click on it. And as you can see here, we have indices group. You can also find indexes, okay? They are the same thing. Now click on indices, and as you can see, these are the indices available in my broker. So as you can see, we have here Hong Kong 50 index, UK 100 index. We have here the US 30. This is the Dow Jones, US 500, S&P, US Tech. This is for the Nasdaq or the Nas 100. And we have here India 50 index. So let's say, for example, you want to add the US 500, the US 30, and the Nas 100 or the Nasdaq. Click on it, and now let's go back. Now let's say, for example, you want to see the US 500 chart. Click on it, and click on chart like this. And as you can see, we have here US 500. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.